So today is a super exciting video. I'm going to be reviewing and demoing the Curlsmith scalp recipe line. I'm going to share what I like and what I don't like. Okay, so this is how my hair is starting out. You can see it is super dry and matted and extremely tangled. I figured this would be a perfect opportunity to use this line. So yeah, I started off by just wetting my hair, making sure that I get every single strand of hair on my head wet. I'd like for you guys to comment down below what porosity of hair do you think that I have, because sometimes I lean towards low, sometimes I lean towards high. My hair gets wet easily, but then it takes time to dry when it's healthy. So I'm kind of just confused about that. So now I'm going in with the Curlsmith Super Slip Pre-Wash Primer. It has like a little bit of perfumey scent, but then it also has like a little bit of bitterness. Like I don't really know how to explain it. You can see this consistency was like very white and very liquidy. You see how like just the spot that I touched on my head, you see how it didn't move? Like literally you can see where that white patch is. I knew immediately when I was touching my hair, I was like, okay, I'm gonna need more product. This is not moving easily through my hair. So I grabbed more product. Let me remind you, this is like a $30 product. You can literally see how much I added, which is a lot. And then I attempted to finger detangle. And I must say that this was very disappointing for a product that literally says super slip. I thought that I was gonna like literally just be able to split my hair apart with no effort. But I was actually kind of struggling to just even detangle my hair. It was really weird. I was getting like tangles at the end of my hair, and it just felt like it didn't have that much slip, even though it says super slip. You can see my face literally right here. I'm like, no, like there's so many other conditioners that have better slip than this and that work way better than this. I'm really struggling to understand what is the point of this product. So I thought maybe my hair just wasn't wet enough. So I went ahead and I re-wet my hair, added some water. And I will say that that did actually help. But still, I was just disappointed. Like you could see I kept getting snags at the end of my hair. And it was just like, super slip where? I didn't see that at all. So the fact that you have to use so much of this product and it doesn't even have that much slip, this was a no for me. So anyways, you're supposed to leave this in your hair and it's supposed to be like a protective layer over the Detox shampoo, which is what I used next. It's a clarifying scrub and it has a very similar scent to the pre-wash primer. It's like they tried to mix some good smelling perfume with some glue or something. I don't really know how to explain it. It doesn't smell good. And as far as the consistency, it actually surprised me kind of. It was a clear, very liquidy consistency and it has little beads in it. I could feel the beads kind of doing a gentle exfoliation on my head. I wasn't really sure if I liked that or not. I feel like, that could be irritating. I've used other clarifying shampoos that's just like, why do we need that? I scrubbed this vigorously throughout my scalp, and just like the pre-wash primer, I felt like I had to use more. So I went ahead and I reached for more shampoo and I put it all throughout my hair, because this was another thing that also didn't spread that well for me. You could see the second time I was getting a little bit more of a lather. But for me, it was the fact that I had that pre-wash primer underneath that made this shampoo seem like it was doing absolutely nothing. Like, even though I was scrubbing so hard, I felt the thick layer of pre-wash primer underneath it. So now I went ahead and I rinsed everything out, and you could see like I really spent a lot of time trying to get these products out of my hair. But even, though I did feel like I got the shampoo out of my hair, I still felt like I had some of the pre-wash primer on my hair. Had a little bit of residue left over from that. So I went in again with some more Wash and Scrub Detox shampoo, put that through my scalp, and this time it did lather much more. I think probably because there wasn't any pre-wash primer underneath it. And I did feel like overall I liked it better by itself and not with using the primer. So yeah, as far as did it get my scalp clean, I definitely did feel like it got my scalp clean. I just am not wowed by it. And for something that's almost $30, like I need it to wow me, you know? I didn't get what all those other YouTubers say, oh my God, it's the best one and it leaves my hair feeling squeaky clean and all. I didn't get none of that. Like I got like, yeah, my hair is clean, but that's just about it, to be honest. And maybe, you know, I don't have any scalp problems, so maybe this just isn't for me. Maybe this works just for people that have scalp problems. I don't know. Next, I went in with the Curlsmith Post Wash Calming Conditioner. You can see that the consistency of this was thicker than both of the products that I showed before and has a pretty standard conditioner texture. Now, this one has a very, very strong minty smell. This conditioner will definitely give you that tingling feeling in the shower if that's what you like. I don't like that. I've never been a fan of that. I don't understand what's the purpose. I don't like the smell of mints. Now, in terms of the slip, I do feel like it had slip, but it wasn't the best slip in the world. I've definitely used conditioners that has more slip than this. So once again, I really wasn't that impressed with the slip in this conditioner. Overall, the best word to describe this conditioner for me was just underwhelming. Definitely not worth $30. So yeah, you can see now I rinsed that conditioner out of my hair. And what I will say is that immediately I felt that my hair was very, very moisturized from this conditioner and maybe even a little bit weighed down. But the more that I rinsed it and rinsed it and rinsed it out of my hair, product kind of got out. And yeah, it actually didn't leave my hair that moisturized, which is pretty ironic. Next, I went in with the Curlsmith Hydro Cream Soothing Mask. It's a pretty thick, deep conditioner, the thickest out of all of the products. It has a very, very strong, perfumey scent. So I used just a little bit of this and rubbed it through my hands because I was already scared that, you know, it was gonna weigh my hair down. I rubbed this through the mid and ends of my hair, and really, all that detangling that I did earlier, you would think that my hair would be fully detangled, but I found that it kept like getting stuck. My hair strands kept kind of getting stuck on each other, which was so weird. So yeah, I did leave that on my hair for about 10 minutes, and then when I rinsed it out, definitely felt like my hair was moisturized. Definitely. You can see how my hair looks like. You can tell it's very moisturized. It's so stiff because there's a lot of oils on there and product on there. And it's not even moving, you know. So here I am after I got out of the shower with my 100% cotton t-shirt on. I love to use the cotton t-shirt better than microfiber towels because I feel like it gives you the least amount of frizz. But yeah, I could tell immediately by looking at my hair that my hair was weighed down. Man, was it weighed down? Like, I'm really starting to think that Curlsmith products in general are just too heavy for my hair. But, you know, anyways, I continued. I wet my hair with some water because that is how Curlsmith instructs you to apply all of their products on soaking wet hair. Now, my hair wasn't soaking wet, but it definitely was wet. I went ahead and did like my normal part that I wear. So now I'm going to be styling with the Curlsmith Weightless Air Dry Cream and the Curlsmith Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. However, I wanted to see how it would work with and without the cream. So on the right side of my hair, which might be you guys' left, the side that you see me touching right now, I went in with the Curlsmith Weightless Air Dry Cream first. I want to see if it really is weightless, and I want to see if it will provide some moisture. So yeah, I just raked that through my hair, and yeah, it definitely provides moisture. I really wouldn't describe this as weightless though. I think there's definitely weight to it. And then after that, I went in with a Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. This is just a medium hold, flexible, lightweight gel. It says it's a level 7 out of 10. As far as both of these products, this product smells the most like perfume to me, and it is so strong, guys. It is so strong. It's crazy because I'm not even sensitive to fragrances, and I love strong Arabic perfume, but this thing was overpowering that even me, someone who can handle strong scents, I was like, this is too much. When I put this in my hair, I literally can still smell it when I wake up the next morning. And when I first wake up, I don't want to smell heavy perfume. Like, that just gives me a headache. And literally, like, there were times where, I'd just be going throughout my day and I can just like smell this like super strong perfume scent in my nose. It's too much. Like, I don't get it. Curlsmith, like, I think if it had half of the perfume that it has, it would be like fine and still strong. Like, they just went crazy with the perfume in this. Very, very strong, just unnecessary. This is not perfume. This is something that goes in your hair. And also for people like me that I like to wear strong perfume, this will definitely clash with the perfume that you want to wear on your body. So yeah, it will. But anyways, yeah. So the consistency of this is just like a very watery, like jelly texture. I started off with just a small amount and I raked that through my hair and kind of like went with how my hair was feeling. I felt like it needed a little bit more. So I just kept that building up slowly because the thing with Curlsmith is you definitely, if you overdo it, there's no coming back. You got to start slow and yeah, build up if necessary. Now, here's the thing. I could tell from looking at these curls that it was not going to dry cute. Do you see this, what I'm holding in my hand? What is this? My curls, they're being weighed down. They're stretched out and wonky. They're not even. And like, what even is this? I have 3B hair. This is like in the 2 category. So yeah, I could tell just immediately that it wasn't gonna dry very well. But I decided to keep moving forward. I decided to let it air dry. But really, I wanted to wash it out of my hair. So yeah, now this is how I look when my hair is about 90% dry. And as you can see, you know how most people, when their hair dries, like it will shrink and get a little bit bigger. Yeah, that didn't happen at all. My hair stayed exactly how it was when it looked wet. And it's funny because it still looks wet. That's the thing with these Curlsmith products, like it will make your hair shiny and weighed down for sure. You could see how shiny my hair was. Now I'm just scrunching out the cast that formed. So I did get a cast. It was like a medium cast. It was easy to scrunch out. And definitely the side that had the leave-in was more moisturized than the other side. So I did feel the difference in my hair. And you can see as I'm scrunching, like my disappointment in my face. Where is the volume? Where is the volume? It's not coming. Usually when I scrunch, I can get like 50% more volume, but I couldn't. So I'm like, let me separate my curls. Maybe that will help separate some of these undefined curls. No, it didn't. I'm really starting to doubt these influencers that I love to watch. Anyways, my last resort to try to get some sort of volume was to diffuse. And honestly, this was just like, you guys didn't see how much effort I put into trying to make this look good. It was way too much effort considering all of the money that I spent on these products, like almost $200. This just way too much effort to try to make something look good, and it wasn't. At the end of the day, even after I diffused, I was able to get a little bit more volume, but look what happened to my hair. Like, my hair actually ended up becoming frizzy, and because it was already not really defined and wonky, that's pretty much how it dried. Literally, these products made my hair look damaged. I swear my hair doesn't look like that. Like, I will show you guys a nice wash and go, how my hair looks. I feel like these products dried my hair and made my hair look like it's damaged, uneven, wonky. Like, what is going on here? Yeah, it was just a struggle. I struggled way too much with this. So anyways, this is how my hair ended up looking. Both sides, I wasn't happy with the results. I wasn't happy with all the see-throughness that you could see in my hair. Definitely like, what is this? What is this? And then also this kept happening to me. I kept getting these like snags at the end of my hair. Whenever I try to like separate my curls, it would literally like tangle. And it was just so weird because I've never really had that problem before. Needless to say, it's a no for me. What do you guys think about how my hair looks? And yeah, be honest because it's trash. Let's call it what it is. It's not good. I'm really just want to go and wash this out. Overall, like it's just a no. That's my 100% honest review. This is the third time that I've tried all these products and the results have not gotten any better. Anyways, you guys let me know how you like these products. Maybe if I'm like not using them correctly, or maybe this line isn't for me because this line is actually for people that have scalp problems. And I don't have a scalp problem. I have a normal scalp. Like it's not oily, it's not dry. I don't have dandruff. I don't have anything wrong with my scalp. It's normal, healthy. So maybe this is just not for me. Let me know what are the lightest lines that, or what are the lightest products that Curlsmith has, because I really don't want to give up on them. There's so much hype around them that I can't believe that this is what it is. I'm like, no, I'm just not picking the right products for my hair. That's my honest review. And yeah, give me any advice on which products would work better for my hair.